More supporters are expected to visit the tomb of former President Ferdinand Marcos at Dalibingan ng mga bayani today. According to Army Operations Officer Eleanor Pedroso, most of them came from Ilocos Norte and their names are on the guest list of the Marcos family. They must show a commemorative sticker before they can enter the premises of Dalibingan. Now, family members, relatives, and supporters joined the celebration of the Holy Mass inside Dalibingan that began around 10 in the morning. This was off limits to the media. Former First Lady Imelda Marcos, Ilocos Norte Governor Aimee, and former Senator Bongbong Marcos were in attendance. Earlier, however, members of the media were momentarily allowed, but the Marcos family eventually decided to keep the affair private to them and loyalists. Now, the security is really tight inside. During ordinary days, one company composed of 60 to 70 soldiers guard the cemetery. But now, 6 companies are stationed in various places, including one company designated to secure the former president's tomb. Pedroso vows they will not allow anti-Marcos protesters to occupy Dalibingan or desecrate the tomb of the former president. Mai.
Rex, what about those visiting their loved ones there, the departed soldiers? Are they allowed to get in?
So far, they're not also allowed to go inside and visit their relatives. The army is appealing to these families to at least understand the situation as the security is really delicate. However, they promise to open it once again to the families of the other their relatives inside to attend or to visit their relatives inside the cemetery. Mai.
Well, many are outraged that this happened, that the Marcos burial took place there at Dalibingan ng mga bayani. There are also others who want to visit Marcos's gravesite. When will this be open to the public?
So far, the army hasn't given any date yet for the public to visit. But so far, what they can tell us right now is that only pro-Marcos loyalists can go inside. Basically, they must coordinate with the Marcos family. Their names must be on the guest list. And they must show a commemorative sticker for them to be able to enter the Libingan. Mai.
All right. Thank you, Rex Remitio, reporting to us live from the Libingan ng mga bayani.